Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me a pretty good point I've never thought about. If you've used the interactive fill tool to get a color, and this isn't even, my example is not even. Let's make it a little more even. Yellow line right across the front. If we go to text and fit text to path, it loses its interactive fill tool with each individual letter. It spread it out over the whole thing. I'm sorry to say there's no quick way. The only way I would know how to do it would be to break this into, so text to path, just like with the blue, and do them individually. But it's not so bad as you would think. If we use the interactive fill tool, and we're going to start with this H because it's kind of top dead center, and then we're going to I'm going to make it really bright so it can show up what we're doing. And you can kind of see it's at a right angle. The interactive fill tool is kind of at a right angle, and if you pretty much put it at a right angle, and this is almost at a 45, you're going to get that color. Now, you could maybe use the attribute eyedropper on the next one, but it's going to be off. So what I would do is attribute all of them, all your letter. I'm not going to do every one of them. And it's not so bad if you really want that look. So then grab your interactive fill tool. First of all, pick your letter you want to do, interactive fill tool, and just make this at a right angle. Pick the next one at a right angle. Next one, right angle. And if you have them all filled in with the attribute eyedropper, this really doesn't take very long. See, I was hitting the color because I wasn't totally in the way. You've got to be on that color to make it go to a 45-degree angle. And at some point, you might even want to move it a little bit. But see, if you don't do that, you're going to have to go attribute eyedropper for each letter and then go back. So if you did them all, you can pretty easily with the attribute eyedropper. Whoop. Now we've already done that, so now we can get the interactive fill tool and make it at a right angle. And you can maybe bring that one down a little bit. Same thing, just right angle. And I think this is what he's asking and talking about. Let me go ahead and do the last few letters of that side at least. Attribute eyedropper, take a sample, fill it in. It's the only way I know how to do it. Then you get the interactive fill tool and kind of put it at a right angle. And, you can move the blue. Whoop. Be careful what you're moving. Whoop. Interactive fill tool. See, I've completely messed this one up, but I can get it back just by moving the handle. That way, that yellow stripe kind of goes through the middle. Unless somebody else knows of a quicker way, I could do it with different colors, but not particularly blended together like that. You could make 3 rings and color them in with 3 different colors, but that's the only way I know how to do it. Like I'm a little bit off on the W, I'm a little bit high. So just take it and just move it, down a little bit and try to, the yellow is going to actually help you kind of get that yellow into a line. Whoop. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but it can be done. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.